inimical to desirable public health outcomes. Let us not be naive. We are very much aware that marijuana prohibition has produced a discourse of disparagement that crowds out rational discussion about, say, the benefits of legalization of marijuana for medical research and use, or to highlight disputes within and across psychiatry, science, and pediatrics about the putative association between marijuana use and mental health problems. My colleague will go on to address the medicinal marijuana benefits, among other issues. There remains a lively debate among researchers in the scientific community about the psychopharmacological properties of marijuana. During the 1990s, there were some studies highlighting negative cognitive and behavioral effects of long-term use of marijuana. For Rodriguez de Fonseca et al. 1997, Tanda et al. And the Academy of Pediatrics 1999, the active ingredient in marijuana, tetrahydrocannabinol, which my colleague will further address it as THC, triggers a neurochemical reaction in the brain that leads to drug dependence and consequent emotional stress. Zamet et al. And Arsenal et al. 2002, however, cast doubt on the association between marijuana use and subsequent mental disorders. What is clear is that a large intake of cannabis seems able to trigger acute psychotic episodes and may worsen outcomes in established psychosis. A 2013 study published in Comprehensive Psychiatry argues that the issue should really be about heavy cannabis abuse or abuse. Given the trajectory of current research on marijuana use and its mental effects, our appeal for legalization of marijuana use is tacked onto the need for a suite of regulations governing personal use, supply and public information about the harmful effects of substance abuse, much like what is obtained for tobacco and alcohol, which is legal. We are not opposed to the decriminalization of marijuana use as a midway step towards legalization. However, the status quo for tobacco use should apply for marijuana use, where the necessary atmospheric for research into medical marijuana can better inform social and public policy. We welcome engagement from our esteemed opponents before my colleague